What's up, guys? I'm back with my good friend here, Jimmy. Jimmy Mentis is here.
What's up, man?
What's up, dude? I'm doing good, man. You doing good? Good. Always a pleasure to see you, bro. Always a pleasure. I know we had a lot of crazy things going on in our families and going on in the back end of things. But, you know, it's good to have you down here,
Thank you, man. Thank you.
It's good for me. You know, definitely raises my spirits up a little bit, you know. I think just knocks you down every day. And you're like going through the battle of business, family, and all the other stuff that comes along.
And you wake up every morning, you're like, okay, what am I going to do with today?
I'm telling you. Yeah, it's like, what is it going to be today, right? And it's always something. I feel like it's a movie every single day.
You look good, man.
Thanks, dude. Thanks. You too.
I'm down 20 pounds.
20 pounds. That's awesome.
20 pounds, man.
That's awesome. And still looking like a beast.
Yeah, I'm down. I feel great, I have to tell you.
Yeah.
I feel great. Down 20 pounds, I feel great. I'm eating 4,000 calories.
Wow. Wow, yeah. 4,000 calories still, huh?
Yeah.
No calorie deficit here, folks, right?
There's got to be a calorie deficit if I'm losing the weight.
I mean, you're doing a recomp, I guess, to a certain degree, but yeah.
I had started, well, initially when I was getting ready for the show, I was at 5,000, right? And I started cutting.
So we are going down.
So, and then I went down to 3,000.
Okay.
And then when I didn't get the invite, I started bumping it up.
Gotcha.
I started dropping weight.
Gotcha.
So the more weight I was losing, the more I was bumping the calories up.
Right.
So that was like, it's like a car.
Yeah,
you want the car to go fast, you got to give it more food, and that's where I'm at now.
That's awesome. A lot of people don't understand that. They think there's just, you know, to starve themselves out, and that's going to be the calorie deficit. And, you know,
well, they call it a refeed, right?
Yeah.
To me, the refeed doesn't work. It doesn't work for me.
Yeah.
I just like to increase my calories a little, and then maybe train a little harder.
Yep.
Right? You know, a little longer, or add the cardio, which I freaking hate cardio.
Yeah.
But
you know,
I'm starting to like it now. I mean, when you see the difference,
it starts getting addictive. It does. It starts getting addictive.
Mentally, it helps you.
You know, and at the age you are, right? Because not just spring chicken like some of these guys in the 20s and stuff like that, or 30s, or even the 40s like me. You know, I mean, feeling good at your age. You know, a lot of people. There's a lot of guys out there probably wouldn't say the same, right? And that's kind of what Titan does, right? We help people feel a lot younger than what they are. Internally, you know, physically want them to look better on the outside.
It's that first step.
It is.
It's that first step. Guys are coming to me, older guys coming to me, my age, right?
Yeah.
55, 60, even a 63-year-old that I know, didn't even want to think about it. Next thing you know, he kept seeing me in the gym. He goes, "Hey, man, I'm kind of interested."
Yeah.
And I sent him the link.
Yeah.
I said, "Just go. Don't even worry about any questions you're gonna have. Just say, hey, I'm here. I need help."
Right.
Next thing, I just told you before.
Yeah.
Then next thing you know, he came into the gym wearing a Titan medical shirt.
Oh yeah.
I'm like, "Where'd you get that?" He goes, "Oh, I got my therapy done." He goes, "I feel amazing." He's 61, 62 years old.
Dude,
now he's asking me if he wants to get ready for a show.
What?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
It's a pleasure to have my good friend here, Jimmy Mentis, come down. My dude, fellow Greek. I love this guy. A beast at his age. I mean, come on, a beast in general, not even at his age. But you know what? The people at his age, he's putting them to shame. And that's what Titan Medical Center is about. We're about longevity here.
I'm actually trying to do that.
That's what I'm saying. They put the younger dudes at shame, right? So, you know, I've got Jimmy, I've got Mike. I mean, these are some of the better individuals out there that are still doing it every single day and put some of these younger guys to shame, or the guys their age aren't even around anymore. Okay, so, you know, that's the other thing. We got one life to live. We got one body. Take care of it. Be tight, strong every single day.
Get your blood work, people.
That's right.
Get your blood work. Start there.
So we'll see you after you contact us and we help you out. We'll talk to you soon.